Today I'm going to show you how to create a template in Foxit. Go up to Templates from your homepage and you want to click Create New Template. You can upload a file from your computer. Let's go to Downloads and find our self-evaluation form. So Foxit uploads your form and turns it into a PDF if it wasn't already one. You've now got your form in here, and you can go in and add fields. You can add any signatures, anything you need. So you can start by adding recipients over on the side. So we'd be sending this to the student. If you add, just put student in there, then whenever someone sends a version of this template, they'll have to enter the person. You can add recipients directly to your queue of signers. So if you know that this person always needs to sign, you can just put them in. Or this person always needs to get a copy. So let's say we want to add cooperative education here. Here we can choose whether cooperative education fills out fields and signs, just fills out fields, and CC view only. Edit and sign allows the person to edit the template. And then everybody has to sign again. So let's put that as CC view only. Now over here you can choose who's going to be filling out a field from your recipients. So let's go with party number 1, which is the student. There are some built-in fields you can use. This is the signature field, the initials field, signer name field, the date they signed. So let's add the signature here. A text field allows them to just enter text. A text box allows them to enter a ton of text. You can always resize. A drop-down field allows you to set up over here your drop-down options. So if you've set up with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's add NA. So when they go to fill it out, they'll be able to choose one from the drop-down. A checkbox field allows you to just put a checkbox in there. If you add a name here, let's see, QW 2-5, then you can actually go and you can copy this field and then paste it here, and it will copy whatever's put into those fields because they'll be considered the same field. You can put a description to help them figure out what they're putting in. In checkboxes, you can choose to allow them to check multiple checkboxes in a group, and you can choose what checkbox group a checkbox belongs to. You can put an attachment field, which allows them to upload a document. If you need to make edits to this form, save first. And then you can go and make your edits in Word or in Adobe Pro. Then you can go up to more actions and replace with new file. And that will just replace the background file with a new file. All of your fields that you've already created will stay in the same place on top of your file. So you don't need to recreate them. It doesn't delete them. It just creates a background that is different. So like, for instance, if you are like, I don't want it to say CS11-6-16 down here. Go to your original file, delete that, and then just re-upload. And all your fields will still be there, but this won't show. You can auto-derive the document name from the document's name. You can add signers' names, execution dates. You can put in field values, so any of the fields you enter, you can separate these by underscores, hyphens, or spaces. You can download your PDF if you originally put it in Word, or you can't find your PDF and you need to make changes. Display roll indicator just gets rid of those little things that show you which party number it is. That can be helpful if you have a lot of fields squished together. So if we get rid of them and we have something like this right here, then it won't overlap the end while you're trying to edit it and figure it out. When you're done, you want to go to Save and Close. And you'll see your new template here. You can always go back in and edit it. You can share your new template. You can add it to a template library. Lots of fun. You can also set up template rules. So you can select a template. So let's see. You could do contains cooperative education. And then you can add a rule. And this would take that template and put it onto any of your documents that have the document name cooperative education. You can delete it there. So it's pretty easy. There's lots of interesting things you can do with templates.